Hi, this is BDJ Illustrated. I'm Brandon. I am working on a book called Goblin Seek, and right now what I'm going to do is draw Goober Goblin. I think we're good here. Alright, so let's talk quickly about what I try to do. Make a new layer so I can draw some stuff on here. Okay, so Goober Goblin. It's a book called Goblin Seek. And that's based on hide and seek. Okay? So he's hiding. These mushrooms give it a unique environment. So he lives in a very mushroomy type world. So not only does it show that he's hiding, it also shows the kind of environment he lives in, and he's a goblin, right? So, and that's what a goblin looks like in this world that I'm working in. So I've shown three different things. The hide, well, I haven't showed the seeking, but since, or I guess I haven't directly showed the seeking, but it's indicated that he's being looked for because he's hiding here and he's looking at us. Okay, so I think that does a decent job of conveying that idea. The line work is looser than the Bob book style, but I don't want to mimic their style completely. I still want to have fun, so I'm not trying to just do whatever's already in the book. But I think what we've got here, excuse me, but I think what we've got here is an image, excuse me, an image that says what we want it to say, and it says it in a way that is fun to draw, which is important. You want to have fun while you're doing it, especially if you're doing it for yourself. When the time comes that you're doing a commission for somebody and they need it done in a certain style, you may or may not have, you might not have fun, but work is not always fun. That's something that nobody should lie to you. You shouldn't let anyone lie to you and say that you can always just do what you love. That's like I wish that for everybody. I wish you could only do what you love, but we don't live in a world where that's possible. So, and I mean that you can't always just do what you love for a living. You can do what you love after the work is done. Hopefully, that's something that seems more reasonable. If you work really hard and give yourself an opportunity, then you can do what you love. Whether or not that's for your job. So, anyway, yeah, I think we're well on our way here. We'll start talking more about the rest of these pages. We'll design a page from the ground up going forward now that we have the Goober Goblin sketch, or the Goober Goblin reference image. All right. Brandon from BDJ Illustrated, thanks a lot.